Hi, Tom from MarineMax Maryland in Kent Island, here to show you this wonderful new 2024 Scout 425 LXF center console. Why don't you come on board and join me? Let's go through this great boat. Yeah, this 425 LXF, beautiful boat in black with Pearl Fusion triple Mercury 600 Verados. That's the maximum horsepower allowed on the boat, 1800. She goes about 70 miles an hour. So in the aft here in the stern, we've got a full walk-through swim platform, so easy to get around the back of the boat and get to your engines. You got storage down below with a Corian top on there. You see you got dual entrances into the boat, port or starboard, depending on how you're docked. As we move forward, this boat has the optional set-in aft seating, and underneath is going to be your bait well. Of course, fully recirculating. And then as we move over to the port side, we've got our beach access, our beach door that flops down on the side so we can get in and out of the water, enjoy a swim. Great accessory to have. And of course a boarding door for normal operations when the beach is up. We got our accessories, bilge pumps and drains down below. We got dual fish boxes, port and starboard. A lot of rod holders and cup holders in the aft. Moving forward here to the back of the leaning post, we've got a sink, we've got a Kenyan grill. And then down below you've got storage, controls, outlets, hot and cold freshwater shower, raw water on the starboard side. And we've got bar stools that come out on either side for a great relaxation area. And then down below we've got a very large cold box that comes in and out electrically with the buttons up here. And up top we've got articulating rocket launchers. Easy to get your rods in and out, but also makes room for the electric sunshade to come aft, which will come fully aft and cover the seating in the stern. Moving forward toward the cockpit, got seating for 3 in the second row, storage underneath, and access to our DC electrical panel here with our batteries. The port side, storage on starboard, storage down below. Down here, I've got a hatch with access, and I can go down below with stairs, and you can see the Seakeeper and battery chargers down below. Boat is equipped with the Seakeeper. Coming further forward, you got great seating, triple bolsters. Got a platform that comes down if you need to be able to see up and over the windshield. And then we get into our cockpit. Got triple displays, 2 16-inch Garmins, flanking a 24-inch Garmin display. Also has separate Mercury vessel view for your motors. We've got zip wake, air conditioning outlets, and of course a joystick for the motors, and of course bow thruster also. On a 42-footer, the bow thruster is very helpful. Got storage in a glove box. Of course all your outlets for chargers, etc. So a VHF radio, switching up above for more important items like spreaders, lighting, windlass, wiper, etc. But we also have digital switching available for all the other systems on the Garmin screens. Moving up forward, on the starboard side we've got a nice little storage rocker for lines and fishing rods. And moving up to the bow, I guess the most prominent feature is this wonderful table. The table is obviously in the up position for dining. It'll come down to an intermediate position with filler cushions to have a nice big sunbed up here. It'll also recess all the way to the floor so you can stand on it if you're going to be fishing out of the bow. You've got storage underneath all of the seating up front. Here and here, access to your anchor from the center, and of course the windlass itself is up front with controls up front if you don't want to use them at the helm. A lot of cup holders up front. There is a bow sunshade for the boat that goes into the fishing rod holders with carbon poles. Got a great big sunbed here for people to relax on. Of course, storage down below with a sideboarding ladder for the boat. Wonderful place for folks to hang out on the big sun pad with armrests, etc. Cup holders. Very comfy spot. Really well upholstered. If you look up top, you can see the Razor light bars, the Lumitech. Got the Garmin radar. After that, you've got a FLIR and a television track vision antenna. And please notice that they're all color matched and custom painted to match the hull. This is Midnight Edition, so you can see it's got the black accents rather than the Scout white. Beautiful boat. Let's go down below. And down below in our 425 LXF, plenty of room for a nice weekender type boat. We've got a full enclosed head in the back. You can walk up there if you want and check out the basin, flushing, of course, electric flushing toilet, and a full stand-up shower. Then coming further aft, we've got a Kenyan cooktop, microwave, and a sink. Storage down below, and storage all the way along the sides. Further forward, you got a television, nice seating, dinette, and inside underneath the forward locker there is a filler cushion that comes back to make this into a nice big double bed. Hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough of the brand new 2024 Scout 425 LXF. Center console, luxury fishing and cruising boat. Come on down to Kent Island with MarineMax Maryland. We'd love to have you on board this boat. Take her for a ride.